Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna give you guys a quick BadFlag update. Some things I've learned from my BadFlag and what you guys can have this BadFlag on all day, and not once did it come loose or anything. These stay like they were. Now I'm going to remove it and see if there's anything else I need to be worried about or not. Just to show you guys. Sorry about that. All right, that one. That nothing. Just gotta wipe off the little suction cup stuff, but not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. So, as you see me in the reflection of my car, the BadFlag held up all day. Multiple highway speed changes. It was on since this morning, going to Hinesville, Carts and Coffee, and even a few hours on the road, going to Swainsboro and back. No budge or nothing. So for Charger owners, I really suggest you put your BadFlag on your rear door at an angle. With that setup, I had no interference with my rearview mirror. I could see out the back. I could also check the suction cup attachments down my rearview mirror, which is the suction cup pumps, to make sure they weren't showing any white. If they do show white, that means you need to stop and either remove the flag from the vehicle or press it against the vehicle and push it down to create a tighter suction, hopefully. But no issues, no replacing or re-suctioning or reapplying the BadFlag to my door at all today. So good job, BadFlag. This works. And I ordered these newer BadFlag cups, suction cups. Yeah, they work a lot better, a lot easier to tighten down the fiberglass flagpole. But I will tell you this, my flag hung on, but the flag itself dragged a hole. I didn't drag it. It literally, what's that? Let me put it down and show you. I was trying to get it that way, but this. So, yeah. Other than that, flag is still good though. It's just that from, I guess, the speeds or whatever, but hey, it's an awesome flag. Got a lot of compliments on it. So that was the BadFlag update, in a sense. That's how I wrap my BadFlag on my Charger when I'm going long distances, because if you place it back here like I did in my YouTube video, that is for parade type speeds. You can take it up to high speeds in this area, but you run the risk of your flag falling off or you pulling your bumper away from your fender. That has happened to me. So that is a fun fact. I don't know about you try to mimic that, but that has happened, and I'm giving you my remedy to that because I like the back here, just on the furthest back part of the car at an angle. But for highway speeds and driving hours on end, the rear door is where you want to have it at an angle. So that way there's not as much drag and stress on the suction cups. And that, like I say, is my BadFlag update, guys. So that was the BadFlag update on how I rock my BadFlag when I'm going on long road trips or just anything where I'm going to be on a highway doing highway speeds. You want to put your BadFlag under your rear door handle, the suction cups, and at a slight angle, not 45 degrees, but 70, 75 degrees, something like that. Just so it's from bottom to top. The furthest point is at the bottom, closer to the driver, and the top suction cup is further back towards the gas tank. So you have that good, I guess, just that good angle when you're driving, so it's not creating a lot of drag or stress on the suction cups. So once you're doing that, it'll last a long time. You get to enjoy it. You get some good looks from people that like seeing whatever you have on the flag, or just you'll just get some compliments or whatever. You know, if you're a Jaguars fan, i.e. me, you get the Jaguars flag or whatever flag you have on it, man. It's a cool way to represent your teams or your car clubs if you have a car flag as well. BadFlag also does that. They can do some custom designs. Just contact those guys on Instagram at the official BadFlag, or I'll just put it right there on the screen so you can see their IG handle. You can contact them through there. That's how I got my BadFlags made, and that's how my buddies got theirs made. So once again, good product by BadFlag. Even though when you get up to certain speeds, you run the risk of damaging the flag a little bit just because of the way the wind whips across it. But that's at your discretion. The flags are made of good quality, and they do a good job. They last a long time. So you guys take care. Thanks for tuning in for this quick BadFlag update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. And I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Acorns292. I'd like to do a quick shout out to one of the t-shirt shops in the Savannah area. They do a lot of my t-shirts for me. This is my YouTube t-shirt. You see in the front. I also got my QR code on here. So when you see me in public, you can scan that one, or you can scan the one on the back. These are awesome shirts. They're made out of good quality. This is a 50-50 blend, I believe. But this is their shop. It's pretty awesome. They're open from 10 to 6 p.m. during the weekdays, and they're open on Saturdays. Also, their Instagram is T-Shirt Grind, and from there you can get their contact information on their bio and all that stuff. And this is some of their services they have right here. So go check those guys out on Instagram and get your shirt. Later.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!